So my name is Edom and my brother is called Fel. We're from Calvin University. We decided to build NoticeAI, which is an AI that turns store cameras into real-time theft detection.
Well, in the United States, there are over $112 billion lost every single year due to retail thefts. And the problem is much deeper than just theft itself. It's the fact that there's a delayed in awareness. Like these store owners don't realize that they've lost something until they see that their inventory doesn't match their profit or their revenue. And the current system that they have is passive. The cameras continuously just record, and someone has to manually shift through hours of footage to be able to find just a single incident, which almost never happens.
So this problem is personal to us because we grew up working for a family-owned retail store, which was fight to survive and eventually had to close. We saw how hard local store owners work and how little margin for error they have. So we asked ourselves, if smarter retail technology exists, why can't smaller stores have access to it too? So our answer was Notice AI.
Well, the way Notice AI works is that it continuously goes through the camera footage of these stores. And then once it detects a specific incident, boom, it's sent over as a notification to both the store owner and the staff member so that they could actually review the footage as well.
So we'll go for a live demo. Let's run it real quick. We'll have to shift to our phone in a bit because it's an app for right now. If we run it, these are frames that are going to be shown. Might take 20 to 30 seconds to show.
You take the whole 5 minutes, guys. This is cooking. I'm liking what I'm seeing.
Let's see. Yeah.
So that's what it looks like as it's continuously running through each frame.
And so I'll stop sharing the screen over here while he tries to join on his phone for the Zoom.
Oh, this is awesome. Oh, crystal clear.
Okay. So one of the issues that we were having is having the case of false reports. So just because of that, we included a feature where when a store worker says it's a confident incident or a false alarm, it gets sent over back into a modeling pipeline that we have deployed on Azure so that it could potentially be using the feature to either fine tune the current model, or we're using a pre-trained model, YOLO V8, for this specific software. And we also have a second layer running through it, which is context-driven behavior analysis as well. So it does it basically does a transcription of whatever the person or the person with the specific ID is doing. It gets transcribed into specific text, and that gets analyzed by AI as well. And that could potentially be used so that the software is something that gets better over time in the future as well. Maybe some sharing.
Guys, this was pretty hype. So basically the video that you showed is a video demo, and you take a bunch of frames, and then you basically see whether there's an instance of theft.
Exactly. And so whenever a theft is detected, and the software could, so we have it currently running locally on my computer, but it could also be running after Dockerizing it. That would be kind of pushing it to prod and having people be able to use it. That could potentially run on a small GPU inside of these stores that you could possibly have the store owners have it set up over there so that it continuously runs through them. And the setup process for this would probably be a lot simpler, because currently a lot of the cameras that stores have are URL based. We could set up easily so that the footage gets sent over is continuously being analyzed by Notice AI.
Absolutely worth the wait, guys. This was a great project.
Yeah, thank you very much.